Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 4th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the US dollar yen, huge move to the downside, and then it's been pretty sideways ever since. If you look at the daily time frame, I mean, there's no doubt that we are very, very, very strongly in a downtrend, and we're also not even really sitting at a Fibonacci level anymore. So I do think there's definitely going to be more downside potential. The question is how big of a pullback are we going to see on sort of time frames? Now, I do my Fibonacci retracement on here. Normally, I don't really like to put my fib on there until we at least get a break, a counter trend break, because at least then we know that we are in a pullback. And the reason why I say that is because this could literally just go up, touch those highs and then just keep on going down. So be very, very cautious. The trend is very heavily down and it could easily keep going down. If it does go up and break these highs, then I would expect to see at least a 38 to maybe even 78% pullback, probably more likely a 38 to 50% pullback. But if it does end up breaking those highs, I would expect to see something like this, and then probably another entry to go short, potentially next week for the continuation of the downtrend. We'll see though, because we do have non-farm payroll news coming out today, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it just went up, grabbed these highs right here, then just shot right back down. So be very, very cautious with any counter trend trades because the trend is definitely your friend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.